do I hunt? Yeah, smoking meat like a brisket. I'm making meats now.
There are not many videos like this in the country. I don't understand. I don't know how I fell upon this whole category that haven't been filled yet. Rotisserie and alligators. Can I set a new trend?
This is not your parents' cooking show, but they're certainly gonna love it.
Wow, that looks like a really good tater.
Check this thing out. It should be just as amazing as the last video. I'm super excited. This Wildfired is phenomenal.
This is actually the first time since the very first episode where I did the first fish stew, my first video on this new channel, or I guess I could say our, because I've had a team since then, and this has actually been the first day where I haven't had the team with me. My cameraman, he is awesome, but the whole reason this thing started was I ordered a 6 to 8 pound lobster. It was supposed to be here Friday afternoon, and it was here, but when I opened up the box, it was DOA. Dead on arrival.
Scratch and sniff. Smoking meat like a brisket. I'm making meats now.